Hello grade 1, welcome to our new science session. Today we will complete solving the science revision sheet for the fourth quarter. Please don't forget to prepare your science sheet before starting. And if you are ready, we can start now. Today we will start with question number 21. You see several objects at a party. Which object is a liquid? Apple juice, birthday cake, the air in a balloon. Which is a liquid? Do you remember what is a liquid? A liquid is a kind of matter that flows and takes the shape of its container. Which one here is a liquid? It is letter A, the apple juice. 22. Which is a mixture? Do you remember what is a mixture? A mixture is a mix of two or more kinds of matter. So, grapes is a mixture, pencils or salads. Grapes is just one kind. Pencils, also one kind, the same kind of matter. But salad has more than two kinds of matter, so it represents a mixture. 23. Space is the amount of matter in an object. How much matter inside something? What is it? Is it matter, mass, liquid? The amount of matter in an object is its mass. So the answer here is letter B. 24. Which does sugar dissolve easily in? In cold water, in cool water, or in warm water? Do you remember when we studied dissolve and separate? We said that some solids dissolve easily and quickly in hot or warm liquids, like when your mom is making any hot drink for you. So the answer here will be in warm water. Sugar will dissolve easily and quickly in warm water. The next question, 25. How is the person changing the blanket? Melting the blanket, folding the blanket, cutting the blanket. Which change is happening here? It's folding. So the answer here will be letter B. 26. Which of the following thermometers measures the hottest temperature? Letter A, B, or C? Which one do you think? It's letter C. Why did we choose letter C? Because the liquid inside the temperature here, or the liquid inside the thermometer, measures the highest number or the highest temperature. So it will be letter C. Let's move to the next question, 27. How do you know that the material being poured in is a liquid, not a solid? Here, how do you know that this material or this kind of matter is a liquid, not a solid? It has mass, it has its own shape, or it flows and takes the shape of its container? Of course, it's not letter A, because both solids and liquids have mass. What about letter B? It has its own shape. Does a liquid have its own shape? Of course not. What about letter C? It flows and takes the shape of its container? Yes, this describes a liquid. A liquid flows and takes the shape of its container. Now, 28. Which of the following things dissolves in water? Sand, oil, sugar. Which one will dissolve? Of course it's not sand, and of course it's not oil. It will be sugar. 29. What will happen when you add oil to water? What's happening here in this picture? Separate, dissolve, disappear. It's so clear here. It doesn't dissolve in water. It stays up, floats, or separate. So it's letter A. Oh, who likes Nesquik? I know that most of you like it so much. What happens when your mom prepares Nesquik for you? The powder dissolves in milk, the powder floats, or the powder and the milk are separated. You can look while you are drinking your Nesquik. Of course, the powder dissolves in milk. You cannot see it. You will find one drink which is completely dissolving. The powder here is not clear. The color of the milk changes to be brown as the color of the powder, so it dissolves. The next question, 31. We can see all matter. Yes or no? Do we see all matter around us? Can we see all solids, all liquids, and even all gases? Of course not, because we cannot see the air. It's here. It's kind of matter, but we cannot see it. So the answer will be no. 32. All matter is the same. What do you think? No, because solids are different from liquids and they are also different from gases. 33. Solids keep their own shape. Yeah, it's the only kind of matter with its own shape. The next question, 34. Liquids have their own shape? Of course not. They don't have their own shape. They take the shape of their containers. The next question, 35. If you mix sugar and water, the sugar will dissolve? Yeah, it will be letter A. Yes, sugar dissolves in water. The next question, a balloon sinks in water. Do you think it will sink? Of course not. It will float. 37. Space is the measure of how heavy something is. Do you remember this property? How heavy something is. Is it heavy or light? Is it mass, weight, or matter? It is weight. 38. The way something feels is its mass, property, or texture. How will it feel when you touch it? Means its texture. And this also is one property of matter. 39. The measure of how warm something is means its mass, weight, Temperature. How warm is it? How hot or cold something is means its temperature. If you have a ball, a balloon, and an orange, what property is the same between all of them? Size. All of them have the same size, or shape, or weight? They have the same shape. All of them are round. We cannot say that all of them have the same size. They have different sizes, and they don't have the same weight because one is light and one is heavy. Okay, grade 1, like this we finished the revision sheet. Please study it well for your quizzes. Thank you so much and goodbye.